How to fix pretty much all CapCut exporting errors on PC. So first you will need to open up CapCut, and then you want to click on the File menu on the top. So you want to click on Menu and then click on Settings. Then you want to go to the Performance tab and make sure Speed Up Hardware Encoding and Speed Up Hardware Decoding are both checked. And also Render Interface with GPU is also checked. And if the issues persist with export for you, you can try to uncheck both of these right here for speeding, hardware decoding, and encoding. Now you will simply need to click on Save the Settings and try to export again to see if that solves the issue. Now, if the issue still persists, what you can do is close CapCut and then open up the launcher, the CapCut launcher. So it should look like this one right here. Then you want to click on the settings icon, go to settings, and then next to cache size, you want to click on this delete button to clear the cache, and then press OK and wait for it to clear the cache. And once the cache is deleted, you want to click on save. You can also put it to automatically clear the cache for you every period, and then click on your project to launch it again. Now you will simply need to try to export your project by going to export right here and choose the video settings that you want to export with, and simply click on export, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.